Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Draw.io templates in 2026. If you want to create diagrams faster without starting from scratch, templates can save time and help you build professional designs quickly. First, open Draw.io and click Create New Diagram. This will open the template selection window. Next, browse through the available template categories. You'll find options for flowcharts, network diagrams, organizational charts, UML diagrams, ER diagrams, and many more. Now select a template that matches the type of diagram you want to create. Click on it to preview the layout and structure. Next, click Create to open the template in the editing workspace. Now replace the sample text and placeholder content with your own information. This allows you to customize the template for your specific project. Next, add, remove, or rearrange shapes as needed. Templates are fully editable, so you can modify them however you like. Now customize colors, fonts, connectors, and styles to match your preferences or company branding. Next, review the diagram and make sure all sections contain the correct information. If needed, save the customized template as a new file so you can reuse it for future projects. Finally, export the completed diagram as a PDF, PNG, SVG, or another format if you need to share it with others. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Draw.io templates. You can now create professional diagrams faster and more efficiently. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.